Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful, gorgeous Ankara dress. It's an halter neck dress, and I'll be showing you how to make this very beautiful dress in just few minutes. We'll be making this dress. I used 3 yards of fabric, of Ankara fabric, to make this dress. I'll be showing you how to go about it. If you're a beginner, this tutorial is very easy, it's very simple. Now we're going to get right into making of this dress. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. I'll begin drafting with the front pattern. I'll go ahead now and just fold my fabric diagonally. I'll be folding it diagonally and I'll be marking my shoulder measurement. My shoulder is 16 inches divided by 2, that will give me 8 inches. So I'll go ahead now and place my tape measure on the place where I want to mark the 8 inches mark. First of all, I'll be working with a length of 44 inches and I'll be marking that all the way around. That's for my length. You can go shorter than that. You can do 34, you can do 40 inches, but I want mine this long. And also I'll be marking the measurement and I'll be cutting it out. So right now, go ahead and place the tape measure to mark the 8 inches mark all the way around. I'll go ahead and do that. Whatever your shoulder measurement is, you're going to go ahead and mark that after folding your fabric. Now that we're done with marking it, I'll proceed to marking 2 inches upwards. That will be my casing for the neckline, for the halter neckline. I'll go upwards by 2 inches. You can go upwards by 1 inch or 1.5 inches, but for me, I'll be going up by 2 inches. After marking that measurement, I'll go ahead now. We are done with the drafting of the front pattern. This is all you need for the front pattern. Right now, I'll go ahead now and just confirm my measurements and go ahead and cut out the pattern. We are done with the front pattern as it is. Like I said in the beginning of the tutorial, this is a very easy tutorial, very simple, and this outfit is a very chic outfit. Anyone of any size can wear it. It's a very simple style. Now for the back pattern, I'll fold my fabric also the same way. I'll be folding it in a diagonal way. I'll be marking the same exact length. I'll mark 44 inches and I'll be marking it all the way around as well. And on the distance, I'll mark 13 inches for my back. That's how low I want my back to be. You can make yours lower than that. You can make it up to 20 inches, up to 15 inches, depending on how exposed you want your back to be. But I don't want mine too exposed, so I'll be going downwards by 13 inches and I'll be coming upwards by 2 inches as well for my elastic casing. I'll be putting elastic for the back, but I'll be using a rope for the front because an halter neck dress. So I'll go ahead now, mark those measurements, and I'll be marking it all the way around. And now we are done with the back pattern. The next step after imputing your measurement on your fabric is to cut out the pattern. With this now we are done with the back pattern. I'll go ahead now and cut out my back pattern. If you have watched to this point, please don't forget to leave a like for this video. You give me a like and YouTube helps push out my content. Thank you for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are learning from me, if you are gaining so much value, please subscribe to the channel. It helps my channel a lot. Now that we are done, we'll begin with the joining of the pattern together. First off, I'll be making the elastic casing for the back and I'll proceed to attaching the elastic band inside the elastic casing. I marked 10 inches for my elastic band. I'll be using half of the measurement because I want it tight at the back. So my total measurement is 22 inches, but I'll be using the elastic band of 10 inches. So I'll go ahead now and impute the elastic band into the elastic casing for the back. And with that, we are done for the back. We'll proceed now to joining the sides and proceed to making the front pattern. The next step is you want to place your back pattern on your front pattern and you want to measure your side seams together. Make sure that they are close together. Then you run a stitch of 1 inch sewing allowance. You can do 0.5 inches of sewing allowance, but for me I'll be using 1 inch of sewing allowance on both sides. I've gone ahead to tack my elastic band down at the back pattern. You want to do that before you go ahead and sew the side seams together. Now that we're done sewing the side seams together, I'll be using a rope for the front and my rope is about 47 inches long and 3 inches wide. You can do a longer rope if you want yours longer than that. You can do a shorter rope depending on what works for you, but I'm making use of this measurement for my rope. So first off, I'll be hemming the sides of my front pattern first. After hemming the sides, I'll now go ahead and sew the elastic casing for the front part. But I'll be using elastic for the front part. I'll be inserting the rope on the front part. I've gone ahead to do that off camera. Now we are done with that. I'll go ahead and insert the rope just like I'm doing. You want to take your time in inserting the rope. Take your time in inserting the rope if you're a beginner. Insert the rope in the front pattern and you can adjust it to the minimum length you want, or how snug or how tight you want it to be. So I've gone ahead to do that. I'm okay with what I have. It can tie at the back, so I'm okay with what I have. So right now we are done with the pattern. I'll go ahead now and hem the dress. I'll go ahead and hem the dress, and with that we are done with this outfit. It's a very simple tutorial, very easy to make in minutes. This is a very fun tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video so that YouTube can recommend my content. Please don't forget to leave a like to this video so that YouTube can push out my content to other people that want to learn from me. The outfit really came out fine. It came out really nice. I really love the gorgeous dress. It really came out really nice. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channels. Thank you for leaving me a comment. Till my next video. Bye.